Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show an authentic Mangalorean recipe of Uppu-Huli Dosa, which is a spicy tangy dosa, and several of its variations along with the Ridge Gourd skin chutney. So let's check out the recipe. Wash and soak 2 cups of dosa rice in water for 2 to 3 hours. In the meanwhile, let's prepare masala for this recipe. In a kadai, take 2 teaspoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of urad dal, 2 teaspoons of jeera, 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds, and 2 teaspoons of methi seeds. Add a pinch of hing. Mix it well and roast. Add dry red chilies around 6 to 8. Roast until it turns aromatic and switch off the gas. For preparation of the batter, in a mixing pot, take half cup of beaten rice, 2 tablespoons of jaggery, lemon-sized tamarind, half cup of grated coconut. Add the roasted masala and the soaked rice. Add salt as required. Grind it to a smooth batter, adding water as required. We need to have normal dosa batter consistency. You can add water to adjust it as follows. Here I am going to show 5 different variations of this dosa. So I have chopped methi leaves, sliced ridge gourd, sliced potato and sliced bread pieces, and the thickness as shown here. You can also use the grated cabbage or sliced raw banana, sliced breadfruit, sliced brinjal and sliced zucchini for this dosa. The idea is same batter and different varieties of dosas. For the plain Uppu-Huli dosa, pour the batter on a hot tawa and spread it in a dosa shape as shown here. Add little oil or ghee and cover and cook on both sides until crispy. The plain dosa is ready. Serve it hot with the Turai skin chutney. For the Ridge Gourd dosa, add the sliced Ridge Gourd pieces to the batter. Dip the slices well in the batter and place on the tawa as shown. Add oil or ghee, cover and cook on both sides until crispy. This dosa will take at least 3 to 4 minutes to cook well. Kai or the Ridge Gourd dosa is ready to serve. For the potato or aloo dosa, repeat the same process with the potato slices. Make sure that the potato pieces are cooked well. You can also serve this dosa with ketchup. It tastes really good. For the bread dosa, repeat the same process using bread slices. This is a very good snack for kids as well, and you can serve it with ketchup. For the methi dosa, add the chopped methi leaves to the batter and spread it in the shape of dosa. Trust me, because of all the masalas in the batter, you will not be able to find the bitterness in methi at all. Now coming to the recipe of Ridge Gourd Peel chutney. In a kadai, add 3 teaspoons of oil, add 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, and green chilies as per taste. I'm now adding 1 cup of washed Ridge Gourd or the Turai skin here. Cook it well for 4 to 5 minutes so that the raw smell goes away. Add 1 cup of grated coconut and roast it well for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the mixture cools down, add it to a mixing pot with little bit of tamarind. Add salt as required. Add water as required and grind well. The Turai peel chutney is now ready. For tempering, take a tadka pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons of urad dal. Let it splutter. Add a pinch of hing and curry leaves. Let it splutter well. Now add the tempering to the chutney and serve it with the dosas. I hope you'll try these recipes. Thanks for watching.